LUFTIKID is a portable, lightweight, inflatable child passenger safety seat designed for children aged from 1 to 7 years old. It is designed to be easy to use, clean, and transport, making it ideal for travel and everyday use. With its unique design and high-performance materials, it offers exceptional safety and comfort for your child. Inflatable design, LUFTIKID inflates quickly and easily, making it a convenient option for travel or everyday use. Lightweight, at only 1.2 kilograms, LUFTIKID is easy to carry and store. Long lifespan, LUFTIKID can be used for children from 9 months to 7 years old, making it a great investment. Crash tested, LUFTIKID has been crash tested and approved for use in most vehicles. Military grade materials, LUFTIKID is made from high-performance materials that are designed to withstand even the most demanding conditions. Simpson D3 off-road belts are a type of 5-point harness designed for off-road vehicles such as UTVs, Jeeps, and sand rails. They are known for their ease of use and patented buckle system, which creates a V-shape between the shoulder straps for optimal comfort and safety. Patented D3 buckle. This unique buckle design eliminates the need for 2 shoulder strap links, while still allowing the shoulder straps to be joined at the center of the buckle. This creates a V-shape that more evenly distributes impact forces in a collision. Multiple configurations. The Simpson D3 off-road belts are available in a variety of configurations, including 2-inch and 3 shoulder belt widths, with or without padding, and bolt-in or clip-in lap belts. Anti-submarine belt. All Simpson D3 off-road belts include an anti-submarine belt, which helps to prevent the driver or passenger from submarining under the lap belt in a collision. Simpson off-road suspension seats are designed to provide comfort and safety for drivers and passengers during the rigors of off-roading. They achieve this through a combination of features. Suspension system. This absorbs bumps and impacts, reducing fatigue and back pain. The suspension is typically achieved through a combination of springs, elastomers, and air chambers. High-quality foam padding. Multiple densities of foam provide a balance of comfort and support. Bolstering. Bolsters on the sides and back of the seat help to keep you planted securely in the seat during sharp turns and off-road maneuvers. Durable materials. Marine-grade vinyl and UV-resistant materials are used to withstand the harsh off-road environment. Low-profile design. This allows for more legroom and greater steering wheel clearance. DS18 BRO base is a subwoofer package designed specifically for the 6th generation Ford Bronco. It is a great option for Bronco owners who want to add some serious bass to their sound system without sacrificing cargo space. The package includes a 12-inch subwoofer, a custom-designed enclosure that fits behind the rear seat of the Bronco, and all the necessary wiring and hardware for installation. The subwoofer is a down-firing design, which means that the sound is directed towards the floor of the vehicle. This helps to create a deeper, more impactful bass sound. Custom-designed enclosure for the 6th generation Ford Bronco. 12 subwoofer. Down-firing design for deeper bass. IPX1 water resistance. Easy installation. Includes all necessary wiring and hardware. RGB LED lighting. The DS18 BRO base is a great way to upgrade the sound system in your 6th generation Ford Bronco if you are looking for a subwoofer package that Marlon Xplore 2 SXS Riser is an accessory that transforms your existing Marlon Xplore 2 snowmobile deck into a platform for hauling your side-by-side SXS vehicle. In essence, it raises the deck height to safely accommodate your SXS on top of your truck bed. Compatibility works with the Marlon Xplore 2 SXS deck, allowing you to use the same deck for both snowmobiles and SXS vehicles. Supported SXS sizes, designed to carry most SXS machines, including 2- and 4-door models, up to 120 inches long in standard configuration. With an optional extension, it can handle SXS machines up to 165 inches long. Widthwise, it accommodates machines from 50 inches to 76 inches wide. Safe loading and unloading. Features include a positive park for the front wheels, secure tire straps. CURT Echo is a wireless trailer brake controller designed for modern vehicles and towing applications. It allows you to control your trailer brakes from your smartphone using a Bluetooth connection. Wireless control connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, eliminating the need for wires or additional modules in your vehicle. Smartphone app. The CURT One Control app allows you to control trailer brake gain, adjust brake sensitivity, and activate trailer brakes manually from your phone. The app is compatible with Apple and Android smartphones. Easy to install, the Echo simply plugs in between your vehicle's 7-way trailer connector and your trailer. Portable. The Echo's compact design makes it easy to transfer between vehicles. Durable. Built with weather-resistant materials to withstand the elements. Multiple trailer support. Can wirelessly control up to 4 axles or 8 individual trailer brakes. Gravity Titan. Imagine the modern elegance of concrete, reimagined for effortless style and lasting durability. That's the power of Gravity Titan, a ceramic tile collection by Circumspa that elevates your space with a touch of industrial chic. A sophisticated palette of 5 contemporary grays to perfectly match your design vision. 7 distinct sizes, in 2 stunning finishes. Choose from natural cement or roller compacted concrete to create a look that's uniquely yours. The unmatched versatility of ceramic tile. Gravity Titan is perfect for floors, walls, countertops, and backsplashes, bringing a cohesive and polished feel to any room. Crafted from high-quality porcelain stoneware, these tiles are incredibly durable and resistant to scratches, stains, and fading. Easy to maintain, Gravity Titan allows you to enjoy the beauty of concrete without the hassle. Armadillo Bag is a flexible, collapsible, and lightweight container designed for the safe transport and storage of liquids, particularly automotive and powersports fluids. They are named after the armadillo, a tough burrowing mammal known for its hard shell. Because of the bag's durability, Giant Loop is a popular brand that sells armadillo bags in various sizes, ranging from 1-gallon to 5-gallon capacities. The bags are made with a 2-layer construction, an inner TPU bladder that's resistant to punctures and leaks, and a protective outer sleeve made from abrasion-resistant Cordura fabric. They also feature a pour spout and handles for easy filling and dispensing. Roll bar rest is a specific type of accessory designed for vehicles with roll bars, typically Jeeps, trucks, and UTVs. They come in 2 main varieties. Gun rest. This type of roll bar rest is a mount that attaches to the roll bar of your vehicle and provides a stable platform for resting your firearm. This is useful for hunters or target shooters who want to take a shot from their vehicle. Shooting rest. This type of roll bar rest is similar to the gun rest, but it is designed to be more versatile. It can be used to support a variety of items, such as cameras, binoculars, or even tablets. Stability. A roll bar rest provides a stable platform for your firearm or other equipment, which can help you to improve your accuracy. Convenience. A roll bar rest allows you to keep your firearm or other equipment within easy reach while you are driving. Safety. By keeping your firearm secured in a roll bar rest, you can help to prevent accidental discharges. Kono S-Lite is an emergency signaling device designed to improve roadside safety by increasing your vehicle's visibility during breakdowns or other situations where you need to pull over. It is a great addition to any roadside emergency kit. The S-Lite is particularly useful because it can display several different attention-grabbing signals. SOS. Warning triangle. These signals are easily recognizable by other drivers and can help to prevent rear-end collisions, especially in low-visibility conditions. Bright LED display. The S-Lite uses high-brightness LEDs to ensure that the signal is visible from a distance, even in daylight. Multiple signal options. As mentioned earlier, the S-Lite can display a variety of signals to communicate your situation to other drivers. Easy to use. The S-Lite is magnetic and can be easily attached to the metal roof of your car. It is also very lightweight and portable. GTWORKS Ute Tray is an Australian company that manufactures Ute trays, canopies, and accessories specifically designed for the tough Australian conditions. Tough and durable, made from 3mm aluminium construction and structural frames, they can withstand whatever Australia's weather throws at them. Locally made, GTWORKS takes pride in using skilled tradespeople and the latest technology to manufacture their products locally. Modular design. Many of their Ute trays feature a modular design: LED tail lights, built-in toolbox, water tank, mudguards, tie-down points, slide-out drawers, roof rack mounts. If you're looking for a Ute tray that is built to last and can handle anything you throw at it. Pickup bed extender is a versatile accessory that adds extra cargo space to your short bed truck. It essentially extends the length of your truck bed beyond the tailgate, allowing you to haul longer items that wouldn't otherwise fit. Hitch-mounted extenders. These extenders attach to the receiver hitch on your truck's bumper. They typically offer more support and can hold heavier loads than tailgate-mounted extenders. Tailgate-mounted extenders. These extenders attach to the tailgate itself. They are a more affordable option and are easier to install and remove.